Right, forgive the dogs, they don't like the drone. We started on taking the roof off this morning, and as you can see, I've started a little bit. It's going to be hard graft. There's going to be a lot of work because I can only get to this point. I'm not greatest on heights, but I'm all right up here. This is fine. Thank you, Steve, for the scaffolding again. We've got what we got to do is take all these tiles off from the top down, which is the way that Shane has said that's the best way to do it, and I totally agree with him. That seems to be working really well. He's the fella that knows, and it looks really dry up here. That's the thing. However, most of this timber is rotten, so this is all around the outside. This bit on the side here is completely rotten, and so all the lats, they all needs to come off. The tiles are breaking as I'm taking them off, as you see here. They're all breaking, and so we've got a friend coming over, a guy coming over to give me a hand. Hopefully he's better at heights than I am, and he can do the other bits. We'll crack on.
Parade is down below. He can see his pop just fine from here. You better keep him on the low. Keep an eye on Bobby for me. Don't let him go.
We're just taking the scaffold down because we've got an idea where we can do everything else inside. So this is Matt, all the way from Ireland, via the UK when he was younger. Via England, I should say. And he lives about 30 minutes away, and he contacted me. I know him via the cricket club, a Shire cricket club, but he's a much more active participant than I am these days. And he contacted me to say that he's got a bit of a project, well, quite a lot of a project, I think. And he was just interested in what we were doing. I do believe he said how we were doing it, but I'm sure that was just a bit of a laugh. Because I think he probably knows more than we do. But he sort of got over and did sound, which absolutely, we need all the hands we can get.
Down below. Yeah, they told her twice and times some more, but the view and air was clean. She could see them from the floor, where they go, where they've been. Keep an eye on Bobby for me, don't let him go. Keep an eye on Bobby for me, I'll be down below. I'll be down below.
From yesterday, got this section out, probably a third of it done, working on the rafters. Yeah, we then got the rest out and taken it to the shettery this morning, all done. Just rinse and repeat.
Now Matt's pretty handy up on the heights, isn't he?
Yeah, he's I hope you don't mind me saying, he He used to be a skydiving instructor, so he's not bothered about heights at all.
Just a
And
bit.
I think with his job that he does now, he says most of it's off cherry pickers, but he said he's not bothered about the heights at all. You know,
That's
and
a
he
bonus.
and he said once you're up that way, he said it ain't about the height. Ain't about the height. It's good, lad. Yeah, it's nice to have some sort of input. You know, it's not just about having the hands. It's about having to, you know, another head there. So you just think about, you know, if you've got an idea to do something, but you're not sure about it, you can run it past somebody. You don't have to run it past yourself, you know, which is good. And yeah, so this is, yeah, it's a lot of tiles. There's a lot of slate. So all the slates, you know, a couple are just breaking, it's just cracking, just disintegrating. And it was what Shane said when he came to have a look. He said, when you get the white residue on the back of the tiles, they're delaminating and then splits. And we've just taken the stuff to the shuttering, and really you just pick up, as you pick up a tile, a full tile, it just breaks. So nothing can be salvaged.
Right, I'll let you crack on.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now there's one area that I'm a little bit worried about, is above this door. There's a big crack and it all looks very unstable. My concern is that all of that is going to tumble down. As soon as they take this main beam out here, I think this whole section is just going to fall off. Yeah, it just looks very precarious, and I think that is going to be a problem. However, we can build it back up as long as they don't take too much with it. Fingers crossed, but we'll soon see when we start taking the actual main purlin out, the tree trunk.
Across the sky, and the breeze kissed a smile in the sun and the blue. They were happy for a while with the sun and the moon and the sky and the space. The boys and their toys were all over the place. Why he fell, they just don't know. But his brothers saw him go. Keep an eye on Bobby for me. I'll be down below. His mother looked at his brother and he never let him go. Never let him go. Then a bird across the sky and the breeze kissed a smile in the sun and the blue. They were happy for a while with the sun and the moon and the sky and the space. The boys and their toys were all over the place. He was only 6, there was nothing he could do except to walk a lifetime in those shoes.
Well pleased. I can't thank Matt enough for his help.
That was
He
fun.
literally called me and said, I know you've got this project, I've got a similar project, can I come round and help? And I said, yeah, I'm never going to pass up that opportunity, especially because it's lovely to have two heads are better than one, as they say. And I'm absolutely flabbergasted. Effectively, if you'd worked on hours, we've probably done one day getting
Yeah.
this out.
Yeah,
Getting
yeah.
this out and getting the purlin out is just extraordinary. I'm so pleased. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep the purlin, but looking at it, you wouldn't want to keep it. So yeah, let's it'll be lovely and keep us warm on the fire.
And hopefully next week Shane will turn up and we'll get a new one put on.
That's the thing. That's the interesting thing. What I've got to do now is take some pictures, send them to Shane, and see if I hear back.
I was going to say maybe we shouldn't.
Yeah, just at least we know he's here.
Yeah.
And we can shut the gate and let you. Well, no,
We
you
can
gotta
lock
put a
him
roof on,
up,
We're
yeah.
not letting you go. Not letting you go until you put a roof on it. So yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
bad for him?
Yeah, we've got plenty of room. Yeah, we can keep him here for many, many months.
Well,
it's brilliant.
thank you, Matt, from me as
No
well.
worries, that was fun.
And well done, lads.
It was good. It was brilliant. I love doing jobs like this.
Cool.
It's, like Matt was saying, you can see you start, you know there's an end, and it's really nice when you get there. So, can you, everybody, like and subscribe, hit the hype button, comment please. I know we'll get loads of comments about this. At least I was wearing my hard hat.
Yeah.
So a little bit of health and safety. But thanks ever so much, and we'll see you all again very, very soon. Take care.
Just a quick message from me. It's your last chance now to put your name on some tiles. Don't forget, anybody that's made a donation to the Why Donate page gets their names put on a tile, and they're being placed on next week. So if you want your names on it, you need to go and make your donations on the Why Donate page. Thank you to everybody that's done so. We'll see you all again next time.